How to use verification code in Claude 2026. What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use a verification code in Claude in 2026. This is something a lot of new users get confused about when they are first setting up their account, so I am going to walk you through the whole thing step by step. Let's get straight into it. So first things first, go ahead and open up your browser and head over to Claude AI. This is the official website where you access Claude. Once you are on the homepage, tap or click on the Sign Up button if you are creating a new account, or click Login if you already have one. Now when you enter your email address and hit Continue, this is where the verification code comes in. Claude is going to send an automatic verification code straight to the email address you just entered. This is basically Claude's way of confirming that the email address belongs to you and that you are a real person trying to access the platform. So the next thing you need to do is open up your email inbox. Go to whatever email app or website you use, whether that is Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or anything else, and look for a new email from Claude or Anthropic. It usually arrives within just a few seconds. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder because sometimes it can land in there. Once you find the email, open it up and you will see a verification code inside. It is usually a short series of numbers. Go ahead and copy that code or simply remember it and head back to the Claude website. On the Claude page, you will see a box asking you to enter your verification code. Click on that box and type in or paste the code exactly as it appears in your email. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code because that can cause it to not work properly. Once you enter the code correctly, hit the Confirm or Verify button and that is it. Claude is going to verify your identity instantly and you will be taken straight into your account. From there, you can start using Claude right away. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is that verification codes are time sensitive. They usually expire after a short period of time, so make sure you use the code as soon as you receive it. If your code expires before you use it, simply go back and request a new one and the process will start over. And that is everything you need to know about how to use a verification code in Claude. It is a really quick and simple process, and once you get through it, your account will be all set up and ready to go. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, share it with someone who is trying to get started with Claude, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a helpful guide like this. I will catch you in the next one.